this Android smartphone is locked due to forgotten PIN pattern and password lock. And if you have also a smartphone which is locked, then this video is very most important for you because of mobile unlocking method I am going to show you in this video. So let's start this video, because in this video you can learn about mobile unlocking without any using software and without any using any PC and without any data loss. So hey guys, welcome again in my new video. And in this video you can show you how can you remove your PIN pattern password lock of your Android smartphone. And if you are watching this video, then I am sure that your phone is locked due to forgotten PIN pattern and password lock. So don't worry at all. Watch this video properly till the end and your smartphone will be unlocked today. So first of all, when your mobile is locked, you have to put your smartphone in airplane mode like that. And this is the airplane mode. You have to activate this, and after that you have to remove your all SIM cards and memory card from your smartphone. After that you have to switch off the smartphone like that. Okay, if you can't switch off your smartphone, swipe up and click on the emergency call option here. After that you have to open dialer pad and type code here, and this code is *899 and #. And as you will be click on the # last button, you can see that the engineer mode page, the after sales page comes in your smartphone home screen. After that you have to go to the number 4 option. This is manual test. Open it and go to the next page, which is device debugging. After that you have to open the M sensor option from here and wait for 3 seconds, because XYZ sensors are synchronizing here. When you complete 3 seconds, click the back button here and go to the last page on other, and this is the other page. Click the main board version 7 times, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and after that click the number 3rd option, key status. And when you open the key status option, there are some lagging, and after that you can see that your all keys are passed, means your PIN pattern password lock is removed from your smartphone. For checking purpose, click the home button here, and you can see that, my friend, your smartphone is completely unlocked and there is no any kind of photos, videos and data loss of your smartphone. In this way you can unlock all Android smartphone at your home. And if you are and if your mobile is still not unlocked from this method, you can comment us by subscribe our YouTube channel. Our team will definitely reply to your comment in just only 2 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock your mobile. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.